Hello, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl, Miku Marmalade, and today I'm presenting to you my collab with another artist. Her name is Ticky's Trinkets.
It's a tongue twister.
But yes, I will definitely link it below. And this theme was MerMay, so you know me, queen of never having any ideas, decided to do Ariel because why not? I also drew a picture of Ariel on my iPhone with Ibis paint. So as you could see, she has like kind of a 90s anime girl theme. That's kind of what I was going for. The eyes are painted on. The arms are made with these little, I guess they're kind of garden wires. You can kind of see in one arm, it kind of holds the arm pose a little bit better. And the other one, not so much. So the other arm I used kind of pipe cleaners, and I bundled a bunch of them together and put them inside the arm because I actually ran out of the garden wires that I like to use. So now her arm just goes plop, plop. And inside of her body, because she is very firm, which you may or may not be able to tell, she kind of, what I did was I took some air dry clay and I basically made a body and I crocheted over the body. So since Ariel has that little hair bump, hair flip thing on the side part, I wanted to try to emulate that. Now my Ariel also has like sparkly hair. Now we have Instant Cutie, because everyone needs a miniature version of themselves. And I've been working on making like kind of smaller miniature sized dolls just for the experiment, the difference. I usually make these huge dolls. So I wanted to kind of make something a little bit different and cutesy. With her, I didn't really paint the skin like I usually do. So you can see the miniature doll looks kind of dead, or her skin looks dead. And Ariel looks like she has some pigment. And if you could see in the tail, I also put that gardening wire in it as well. And you can see it right there. I need to have something to kind of stop it from poking out. I haven't really determined what I'm going to do with that. But without the wire, the tail kind of just went flop. Didn't hold shape. Now you can kind of see it holds its pose a lot better now. So I kind of really like that. Well, that is it for the video. So long. Take care. Bye bye. Subscribe. See you next Wednesday.